Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these solar fence lights that I got sent out for review. These are outdoor and waterproof. So this comes with a manual of instructions, some screws that you might need in order to install them, and also some stickers that you can attach to them if you don't want to make holes to your fence. Okay, so these comes in a pack of 4 and you can use them for just lighting up your fence or also for decoration. Let me show you how it works. These are the stickers that I was mentioning before. You can just remove this paper right here and use them, or use the screws right here. Now let's go ahead and install them, and we are using these screws right here on our fence, and this is how you will be hanging them. It's really easy to set them up, really, and this is how they look like. They are really small. They will illuminate your fence very nicely. So this is the modes, the light modes that it has. It has 3 modes, like a warm tone, a cool tone, and like a brighter tone. Okay, so this is how they look like once that they have been installed and at night. It has 3 color temperatures, and they are weather resistant. It holds up to -4 Fahrenheit and up to 104 Fahrenheit. They are windproof, snowproof, and UV resistant.